Hey gamers, is your Marvel Spider-Man refusing to launch or crashing to the desktop on PC? Don't worry, this is very easy to fix. Stay with me for just a few minutes and you'll be web slinging in no time. Let's get started. Fix 1. Run as administrator first. Let's keep things simple. Right-click the Spider-Man to game icon. Select Run as administrator and see if that does the trick. Sometimes, Windows blocks certain game files, and this method grants the game the necessary permissions. If that works, you're good to go. If not, keep watching. Fix 2. Verify game files corrupted or missing files can be the reason your game isn't launching. Here's how to fix that. If you're on Steam, go to your library, right-click the game, select Properties, then go to Installed Files greater than Verify integrity of game files. If you're on Epic Games, go to your library, click the 3 dots on Spider-Man 2, and select Verify. This process takes a few minutes, but it can fix a lot of problems, so be patient. An outdated graphics driver can cause crashes. Update it like this. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open GeForce Experience and check for updates. If you have an AMD GPU, open AMD Adrenalin software and update from there. Some overlays can interfere with the game. Try this. Disable Steam overlay. Go to Steam settings greater than in-game, then turn off enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Disable Discord overlay. Open Discord settings greater than game overlay, then turn it off. Also, close unnecessary background apps like MSI Afterburner, RivaTuner, or even browsers. This can free up system resources and prevent conflicts. Make sure your Windows is fully updated. Just search Windows Update in the Start menu and check for updates. Also, update DirectX by downloading the latest version from the Microsoft website. These updates often include important fixes for games. If your PC isn't using the best power settings, try this. Search Power Plan in Windows. Select High Performance or Ultimate Performance. If nothing else worked, reinstalling the game might be the best option. Before doing this, make sure to back up your save files to avoid losing progress. And that's it. These fixes should get Marvel's Spider-Man to running smoothly on your PC. If this helped, drop a like and share it so others can fix their game too. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.